Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to use our audio insertion feature. So to start off, go to audio insertion on the left-hand navbar and you will be brought to this page right here. To add a new audio insertion, you're going to go to the add new audio button here. We're going to add an audio name. So whatever you want to name this particular piece. So in this case, I'm going to say intro ad number 2. I'm going to select the audio type. So is it a sponsor ad, internal audio, or cross promotion? And we're going to go to upload audio. We're going to press the upload button and we are going to drag our audio file over into our uploader here. Once your audio has been uploaded, we're going to go to Next Add Audio Locations. And you'll notice here that we have a list of episodes and then we have check marks that say pre-roll and post-roll. Pre-roll is if you wanted your audio to be added at the beginning of the episode, and post-roll is if you wanted your audio to be added at the end of the episode. We're going to simply check off the episodes that we want to add our audio to and where. If you see this little refresh button here, we only allow one ad per pre and post roll slot. So that's just indicating that there is already a pre-roll ad in this episode. If I want to add this audio to this episode instead of the one that's currently there, we simply click this refresh button. We say yes, replace, and we check off the episode. Let's say that this is all of the placements that I wanted to add this audio to. I will then go to create and publish audio. That will publish the audio in the episode. So now you'll see that it's processing. Once it goes live, it will turn green and say live. If, let's say, I wanted to hear what the audio sounded like in the episode prior to publishing it, I could go over here to Episode Editor. In the episode editor, we'll see the episode names laid out here and the various placements of audio insertion that each of them have. If I wanted to go in and hear what these placements sound like, I could go and click the edit button. And I can scroll through and I can continuously listen to this audio file so I can see how well this intro ad number 2 connects into this audio file, a scheduled episode. If I wanted to change it, I could change the pre-roll ads that are added to this episode, and I could also add a post-roll. If I have nothing else that I would like to do here, I can press Save Audio or Save Episode. And that is everything that you need to know about our audio insertion tool. Happy podcasting!